make yourself sit for 2 hours continuously, okay? You can start the practice even now. So make yourself sit for 2 hours and see that how do you like that environment? Are you able to adjust yourself to that environment? AC, पंखे सब बंद कर दो. बारिश हो रही है, बारिश होने दो. धूप है, धूप होने दो. Make yourself adjust to that situation, to that examination वाला feel, okay? जब तक वो नहीं करोगे खुद के साथ, तब तक आसान नहीं होगा. स्ट्रगल के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि आप उस स्ट्रगल को आसान बनाओ. द जर्नी शुड बी easy for you, okay? It should not be difficult. Hello boys and girls and welcome back to a very special session. Special because I'm going to tell you 5 tips that can actually help you score 100% in CAT examination. And these tips are usually told by everyone at the last when you're giving the examination. And let me tell you, that is not going to help. What is going to help is that in the month of June, I'm telling you some tips that you can actually elevate your scores from. Okay, people, there are 2 kind of people right now. People who are starting the syllabus right now, they are in the tension that, how do we go about the syllabus and how do we go give the marks? And the people who have actually given the syllabus and are preparing for the CAT examination wholly and solely from last 6 months are now in the tension that, I'm not scoring good marks in mocks. So each and every question, each and every query will be answered in this particular video. You need to stay till the last of this video to understand some insights that will actually help you elevate your scores from here till CAT examinations. Now, without wasting much time, I am going to start the main topic. My name is Juhi Priya, your VARC educator, and today here I am to tell you that how important it is to elevate your scores and your syllabus in terms of completing the entire whole year with CAT preparation. So, my first point is that you need to complete your syllabus. Yes, by June and July, you should be aiming to complete your syllabus. And if you haven't completed your syllabus, if there is a deadline, you need to be very, very active during your deadlines, okay? You need to do 3x preparation from here. Do as in, for example, if you're reading an RC, you need to do it 3x, multiply by 3x and do the speed reading. Speed reading is very important in RC and verbal. And why it is important? Because you need to skim through the passages to understand the gist of the entire passage and then answer the following question, okay? Because I'm a VARC educator, I can give you more examples of VARC, and if you need more examples of VARC and more videos like this, you can go on this channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe it because you will be getting these tips and tricks every day throughout your CAT examination. Now, for Quants and LR also, it is very important to complete your syllabus by July. Whoever you are under, the institute, the mentors, the colleagues that you're under, and you're reading and studying under them, preparing under them, if you're even self-preparation you're doing with yourself, it is very important to understand that by July you should be completing your entire syllabus. That should be the main goal right now. And even if you are at the 70% of the syllabus, you have to cover it by the speed that you would complete it by July. So that with August, September and October, we are left with 3 months, because November we are not practicing and we are not changing the strategy. We are only practicing. We are practicing mocks, we are practicing sectional tests, we are practicing practice questions, everything that comes along, okay? So completing your syllabus should be your main aim. The second part is that you need to give mocks, the mandatory mock test and analysis. In my classes, during my classes, what I do is that I prepare the people for entire 1 week, and then I give them sectional mocks or the full length mocks that you're going to do with the same preparation that we have done the entire week. What? First, it gives you a very good backup that you have understood the topic very well. You understand that, what is your strengthening part? Where are you lacking behind? You need to upgrade it by next week. You tell me, you tell yourself that this is the topic that is, getting my scores low in VARC, and then you prepare for it more harder. And that is exactly the way you should do it. Now, mock test given for 2 hours and then sitting for analysis for 2 hours is also very important. Until and unless you keep an analysis for 2 hours and understand that why these questions went wrong, or even if why the question that I have ticked right went right, okay? That is also one of the analysis that you need to do. Make a section that what went wrong and what went correct. And then combine those 2 of them and then see where did you go right and what is the area that you need to focus on, okay? The third tip is very, very important. It is about to limit resources and focus just on one book, okay? People have been continuously asking me that, ma'am, can you please suggest some books for practice? Why do you need practice sessions when everything is available on this channel? I do live sessions every week for 2 times, okay? The quant or the LR section is also covered by one of my colleagues. So why not stick to one channel and address your all queries and questions at once? I am giving you my Telegram channel link. You can get in touch with me, share your queries, share whatever the problem is, and then only stick to one resource, one person that you are looking up to, one book that you're looking up to. I have shared numerous resources, but I am just saying that choose just one book at one time, okay? Now, whatever RC's practice sessions or practice books that I have given you, buy all of them. I'm not saying that don't buy them and don't practice. That's your call. But I am just saying that one book should cater at least only in 1 month, okay? If you're able to complete that book in the entire month, nothing better than that, okay? Now, the fourth tip is that you need a topper strategy. Okay, by the end of this year, which is November, you need to have a topper strategy. What is that strategy? Now you have completed your syllabus by July. By August, September, October, you do practice sessions, you do mocks, you do a hell lot of mocks, and then in November you start with the easy questions. Okay, how do you give your mocks? You start with the easy questions, then you go on the moderate questions, and then you go on the difficult questions. The toppers do the same thing, applies the same strategy. They start with the easy question because their mind is free, their mind is fresh. They start with easy and then go to the harder questions. If you start with the harder questions, it will be very difficult for you to focus. You lose interest, you will be distracted. Don't do that to yourself, okay? Don't punish yourself like that. Be a topper in your mind, and that is how you manifest yourself sitting in that college which you have dreamt of, okay? And सबसे important strategy जो है, जो fifth and the most important strategy है, that you need to sit for at least 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. By July, you will be registering yourself, okay? By October or November, you will be getting your admit card. So make yourself sit for 2 hours continuously, okay? You can start the practice even now. So make yourself sit for 2 hours and see that how do you like that environment? Are you able to adjust yourself to that environment? AC, पंखे सब बंद कर दो. बारिश हो रही है, बारिश होने दो. धूप है, धूप होने दो. Make yourself adjust to that situation, to that examination वाला feel, okay? जब तक वो नहीं करोगे खुद के साथ, तब तक आसान नहीं होगा. स्ट्रगल के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि आप उस स्ट्रगल को आसान बनाओ. द जर्नी शुड बी इजी फॉर यू, ओके? इट शुड नॉट बी डिफिकल्ट. एंड इफ द end goal is going to be easy, it will be struggle over here. So it's vice versa, okay? अगर आप यही struggle कर रहे हो, बाद में जाके easy होने वाला है. So make yourself prepared for everything that comes on your way. And if you have any questions related to anything that is bothering you, especially about academics, especially about life, especially about colleges that you're gathering informations for, everything is on this particular channel. But if you can't find any particular video, you can also ping me on my Telegram channel, which is this. You can scan it over here and reach out to me on my Telegram channel, and you can also have a personal chat where you can discuss what you are facing through, okay? And then after all of this that we have done, you can also comment down about the videos or the queries that you want from me. I can do anything for you despite whatever the schedule has been, okay? If you are managing your schedule, I as a teacher should also be managing my schedule on my part, okay? That's a promise. And before you leave, I just want to tell you that there's a Project 99 Percentile Mega Bootcamp that is happening on June 23rd and will extend to 28 June, okay? So all the educators are going to have a detailed topic coverage. All your topics will be covered in this bootcamp. So where are you guys? Come here, subscribe to this channel, and if you are new to this channel, I assure you that everything will be covered from basic to advanced, okay? The test curated by top educators, and learn, unlearn, learn and earn up to 10,000. So there's also a prize that would be disclosed in the end of the session, the boot camp, which will end on 28th of June, okay? So are you guys ready? And if you're not, get ready with the major event that is coming for CAT, okay? Now, there's also a batch that has started for Conquer IIM batch. You can use my code JUHI. 99, and you can avail these batches. Okay, I am a BARC educator. I teach in other batches. This is the batch for newcomers. So everything will be covered over here. Complete CAT 2025 syllabus coverage, one-to-one mentorship, and doubt solving sessions. Okay. So this is what benefits you get with an academy. Plus, there's also 99 percentile mock starter kit that we have arranged and we have designed for you guys. So start your 99 percentile journey in just 99. You will get 3 full length mock tests, 9 sectional tests. What else do you want? Where do you want to go now? Everything is on this channel and you can avail so much. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you have any query, I am here to solve it. Thank you so much and have a very good evening, guys.